Hola, ¿cómo estás? Behind me is Basílica del Voto Nacional. It's one of the main tourist attractions here in Quito, and I'm going to go inside and hopefully go up the main towers, and it's going to give me an awesome aerial view of this wonderful city. Let's do it. Let's go, baby. Woo! I'm a little bit disappointed because this cathedral actually has two towers, and one of the more famous towers is closed to the public. I don't know why, so it's only the clock tower that's open. I paid $3 to get in, and I have to say it's absolutely amazing. I'm inside the main clock tower, behind the clock faces. I can see the mechanisms, how it works. It's 3 stories up. It's amazing. For $3, I'm really enjoying myself. And this roof is very low. I'm having to literally crouch down as I go up. This place is amazing. I don't need to go up the second tower to appreciate the views. This is just incredible. Maybe I'll get a cheeky time-lapse shot on the go.